We are finally awake. Finally, as usual, I want to sleep again. So, what do we do now? What do we do now? Oh, I feel like my room is cluttered. So I'll first declutter and fill some cold water in my bottle to wash my face because they have chilled water in the dispenser. So, best thing. And what else? What else? What else? What else? And then take shower, get ready, and all these things only.
I think my step one, which sometimes I don't record, is I first check my emails. I don't know how it became an habit, or maybe out of stress and anxiety, but whatsoever the reason is, step one is to check my emails and then go on organizing the room and cleaning the room. Also, I just realized that my morning voice is so coarse, like it's so weird, dude. I don't know what is wrong with my morning voice. Oh, also, I recently started doing a bit of exercise. Like, I remember my doctor telling me to do a little bit of exercise, and it's important because PCOD girlies. Okay, never mind. Let's clean, 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 clean. The aura, the room, and everything that needs to be cleaned.
So anyway, it's what time? Oh, I didn't wear my watch. Let me wear my watch. Let me wear my watch. Okay, it's 11 Paibu. Oh, I brewed this Thai tea before I started cleaning my room, and here we are. It is still like that. I wanted to eat these bits of all of these as my breakfast, but here we are. I think I'll have this because I'm scared. I guess I'll have this because I'm scared that it might get spoiled by the night because it's pretty hot today. Okay, tea, you can go there. Let me complete my skincare. Oh, if you're asking why do you need those lights in the morning, I paid for it. I paid for my electricity, I paid for this. You have an issue? That's not my problem. Your problem is your problem, none of my problem. I just realized that Shundhe Cha, Cha Jhalmuri, Chai Adda has a fancy term called high tea. I तो can't return it क्योंकि मैंने तो पैकेज फेंक दिया है. Oh, sorry, let me tell it in English. I cannot return it because I have thrown away the package. So, am I getting. Okay, it's too soon to say that I'm getting scammed, but. Is it too late to say sorry? Yes. Yes, of course. I realized I didn't do a fit check today, but never mind. It feels like my heart will just fly off. Everything is purple in my life. Okay. Purple bottle, purple hat, purple bag. I guess I just need a purple eyeliner.
And while leaving for the class, I met Evan and he showed me the shortcut from SOM. So yeah. And this is a drink that I bought.
Market reports to see where the demand where the demand is still strong and where it's dropping. Second, let's study our past successful deals.
I just exist. We'll see. We'll see, sister, how you hate Gen Zs. That's a video. Video of ant eating. Ant eating. Like, not many people admire ants eating, so. This ant can, ride a bicycle also. This is a very advanced ant. And
What is the name of this thing? The white
butter
bun?
bun.
The butter bun.
There were two, milk bun and butter bun. This was butter bun. And do you want to say something?
He was like, yeah, just like to look at us. Yeah, I also thought the same thing.
I just went away.
He just went by.
You know, it's kind of awkward when you
Yeah.
Exactly.
Did you notice me? Did we meant to like have some quitting?
It looks so green after rain. बारिश भर का I just realized that I did not take a video of the pottage that my roommate gave. I got so busy eating. So I came back from class and my roommate gave me food like pottage and I ate it. And then I went to sleep. I woke up around 6:30, 6:45. Right now I'm going to 7-Eleven to see if there's something, light, something heavy yet light. I don't know how to explain it. Only what if I'm hungry at night kind of thing, because I'm not hungry now. I'm full, kind of full. So I'm just gonna look around and see if there's something that I can bring. And yeah, that's it. I think I'll just put a picture that I've posted on Instagram of the porridge. I'll just put the picture here so that you know what I'm referring to. So here are my two besties, that is ChatGPT and probiotics. Probiotic to rectify all the mistakes that food choices my eating. Spicy and draining my stomach. That's me. Oh, by the way, and the coffee, because of course I was hungry. Choices that I make without thinking, which is like 99% of my choices. Okay, bye. I was about to sing a song which I forgot. Any which way. Handovers are never easy. Nah, no, they're not. I don't know. I logged out at 12:30 today. I have class from 9 and it's already 1:15. And okay, no more ants. Water. I'm hungry again. Oh, by the way, let me tell you a small story about this juice that I bought from SOM. This was supposed to be honey lemon green tea. I could taste honey. I could taste lemon. But green tea? I don't know where it is. I wish I knew where it is, but it was definitely not in this. No, not in this. Somewhere it was. I am struggling to finish this. I mean, the more it decreases, the more tangy it becomes. And I should have just stuck to my guava juice or a mulberry juice. No. I would like to experiment everything from SOM. And then I end up experimenting with my life. इतिहास गवाह है. As if I did not eat tumpa, I don't know how it's pronounced, and ruined my entire stomach. And where the hell is the moisturizer? Here it is. No, Did I learn my lesson? No. Will I ever learn my lesson? No, it's just not my thing. Me? Lesson? What lesson? Huh. Again, I ate chilies today just to ruin my stomach, as I told before. That's me. That's me, guys. That's me. All these self-love tips that I can keep giving others, I don't really practically use it on me. I mean, the food choices, the life choices, and every other choices that I make implicates the opposite of self-love. Never mind. Let's get done for the day. I'm done for the day. Good night. Bye. Yeah, it wasn't actually a good night. I had to line up everything for tomorrow morning so that I don't rush in finding out where these things are for breakfast. I just hope that I get time for breakfast. Now it's a final goodbye. Good night. Bye.